Assalamu alaikum. Hi everyone. Today we have a crucial question. What's the real difference between an accent and a dialect? Are they the same thing? Well, the answer is no. Let's break it down in a very simple way. First, let's talk about accent. Think of an accent as the sound of language. It's only about pronunciation. We use the same words and the same grammar, but the sounds are different. For instance, if a person from New York and a person from London say the word car, how will they pronounce it? The New Yorker might say car, stressing the sound r. The Londoner might say ka, and the sound r is silent. They both mean the same thing. They use the same word, but it sounds different. That is called an accent. Now, what about dialect? A dialect is much broader. It's like a package. It includes the accent, words, and grammar. For instance, look at how Americans and British people talk about sports. American, I'm going to watch a soccer game. British, I'm going to watch a football match. Notice that American people prefer using soccer to refer to football as a sport, and they prefer using game to refer to the match. You see that the words change. When the words and grammar change, we call it a dialect. Okay, now you have to listen carefully and guess, is it an accent or a dialect? Data. What's it? Yeah, it's an accent, 'cause I changed the pronunciation of the word. But when I say lift, elevator, it's a dialect because I changed the word. That's it. See you next time.